Today I'm going to make some rice packs for my boys. They are easy, you can make them and you can keep them in the refrigerator until they are hungry and they can heat them up. Assalamu alaikum. This is Q from Q's Basic Cooking, and look what I'm doing with the rice. I have boiled rice. Yep. Alright, and some imitation crab meat, cucumber, yellow bell pepper, green onion, and avocado. That's all going to go in a rice patty. And this is two mild green chilies that I seeded, and one onion, and one tomato. So with these things here, onion, tomato, and green chili, I'm going to make a sauce that I will add to all those fresh ingredients and put them in the middle of the rice. So let's get started. Oh, that is so much freshness going on over there. Alrighty. Added all three ingredients at the same time in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half a teaspoon of sea salt, just a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of crushed cumin, and a pinch of red chili. That's optional. If you don't like heat, you don't have to use it. Mix, mix, mix. Let's just cook it for another 5 minutes. When it's soft, that's about it. So when the masala was ready, I just pushed it back, and I'm going to let all the oil drain out this way, so I don't have to use it in my food. And over here, I buttered my cup. This is where I'm going to place some rice, and I buttered it because I don't want the steamed rice to stick. Some rice, and then just push it down like I did. Push it down with this, or you can push it down with the back of glass. Sorry, I moved the camera. Alright, so now I'm going to place all the yummy stuff on it. Here I have placed the crab meat on it. This is imitation crab meat. I don't know if I mentioned it before. Let me add the pepper. There goes the yellow pepper. Now comes the avocado. Just going to put few slices, and in the middle a little bit of green onion, cucumber. To top all that, I'm going to add more rice to it. Let's do that. Okay, there's all the good stuff. There's the rice. Press it down with something as much as you can. Now let's cut a plastic sheet over it. There you go. All right, this beauty is turned upside down. You can use keema, you can use fish, you can use beef, meat, whatever you like, and all the fresh ingredients that you love. How do you like me? I look pretty, don't I? Alrighty, let's put some sauce on it. Sauce or masala that I just made. Oh, I look even more pretty now, so let's wrap that up. There you go. Wrap it up real tight, and then you can just keep them in the refrigerator, so whenever somebody is ready to eat, they are hungry, they can take it out, heat it up, cut up the plastic, and they can eat, right? So let's make some more. Like I said, don't worry about the mess, it's all worth it. Now I'm going to wrap it up how I like to wrap them. Just make a little bag, pull all the corners up like that, and then just keep twisting it until you get your all nice tidy. Okay, there you have it. You got your masala on the top, you got your vegetables, your crab meat inside, all nice and fresh. You got your rice in the bottom and on the top. So this is a ready plate for your kids. I know they will love it because mine do too. And just like I said, keep them in the refrigerator Then whenever they're ready to eat, they will pull one out, heat it up, and eat it. You can buy them from market too, but I love making them. Over here you can see my rice bags are ready. The beauty about this is you can make them ahead of time. You can keep them in the refrigerator, you can serve them fresh, and you can use any ingredients that you like. Just make the little rice bags and enjoy. Let me know if you make them. Please let me know, give me some feedback, let me know how I'm doing. And I can't wait to dig into one of those. I make them big enough, so this is 1 serving, 3 servings, 1 serving per child, boy, guys, whatever. They're not children anymore. Alrighty, so that's what it is.